Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put questions on your Instagram story. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Then you want to head to the top where it says your story. You want to click on your story. Then you want to select what you want to post. This is going to be our post. And now the slim part, of course, how we are going to actually put up a question on this story. You want to swipe from the bottom to the top like this. There is a special menu popping up over here, and you will have the option to set a question. If you look at the second row in the middle, you press a question, right? And now you can actually input a particular question. For example, how are you, right? Simple, clear visual. You can put it, then you can press done on top. But before doing so, you can actually change the color and make it much more interactive. You can make it the same color as the background, right? So it will be, not so obvious. You can make it into like some more vibrant color. This is more like, I don't know, like a project management, LinkedIn vibe. This is like more artistic. I think this is like good color. When you finish editing the color, right, you can find the right spot for the question. You can make it smaller, you can make it larger, right? It's very easy to do so. And then it is very important, when you receive the answers of these questions, they will appear like messages inside the message center in your Instagram. So this is where you're going to find all these answers for it, right? For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.